Cross out the object that is different. Oh, where's the different here? In this first line. Cross. X. That one. Oh, you cross it. Oh, how about this one? The second one. Oh, you cross it na.
Yeah.
Oh, how about this one here? Oh, you cross it. Cross. How about this one here? What's that? Ah, that's a sad face. Okay, you cross the sad face. How about this here?
Sun.
That's the sun. How about this? What's this?
Moon.
Moon. What is this? What is this shape?
Crescent.
Crescent. Okay, very good. How about this na? Oh. What's this, baby? This one. What's this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Oh. What object here?
Picture.
Oh, you draw a line. You draw a straight line from the rectangle. How about here? What's this?
Circle.
Oh, where? Where's the circle? Oh, you draw a straight line again. Very good. No. How about this? What shape is this?
Square.
Oh, where's the square?
Here, clock.
Oh, the clock. Oh, how about this?
Triangle.
Oh, where's the triangle?
Here.
Oh, you draw a straight line. Very good. How about this?
Oblong.
Oblong. Oh, where's the oblong?
Here.
There. Oh, draw a straight line. Okay, very good. And this one.
Yeah.
Square.
Square.
Where's the square? Where's the square here?
Teacher.
Oh, there. Where's the square?
Teacher.
This one, square. The first one, square. Oh, there. You draw it from here. From here. Draw a straight line. Straight line. Oh, from here.
Oh.
That's not a square. You erase it. Wrong. Me is wrong. You draw a straight line from square. From point. Here, square. Oh, about this. Rectangle. Where's the rectangle?
Here.
Oh, you draw a straight line from there. Oh, come on, faster. Oh, very good. How about this? Oblong.
Oblong.
Oh, where's the oblong? Where's the oblong? Here, oblong.
Bagong exercise daw ng mga lalaki.
Here. Down here.
Okay, you draw a straight line. Ay, straight line. That's not a straight line. Oh, enough na. Circle. Where's the circle?
Here, here,
Oh, you
here.
draw straight line only.
Ah.
Come on, you draw a straight line, baby. This one, circle. This one. Circle. You draw a straight line. There. Oh, this one. Triangle. Where's the triangle?
Here.
Oh, here. From here. From here. One.
Here.
Oh, very good. Next.
Yeah. Hey.
What's this? Check. Shows love for the family. Oh, this one. You will check this one?
Yeah.
Oh, hugging. Oh, you check this one na. How about this? She don't want to eat. You will check this one?
Yeah.
Oh, don't eat the pencil. That's dirty. Oh, no. How about this? Giving slipper to his daddy. You will check this one?
Yes.
Oh, check it. How about this? Helping cooking. Her mom. You will check that one?
Yes.
Oh, check it. Oh, how about this one? Studying. You will check that one?
Yes.
Oh, check again. How about this one? Watching. You will check that one?
Yes.
Oh, check again. Oh, very good.
Next.
Next one. This is garden. What should you do to take care of God created? Oh, this one or this one? This one or this one? Where? Trees. That one. Very good. How about this one? The Carabao. This one or this one?
Kitchen.
This one. Oh, how about this one? The chicken. This one? Feeding or this one? Kicking?
Pig.
Feeding. Oh, this one. How about this? Fish. This one or this one?
This one.
Where?
This one.
Where?
This one.
Ah, that one. Okay. This one or this one? That one. Oh, how about the bird? Where? This one or this one? This one or this one? This one. Very good. Oh, next again. Oh. Draw straight line from connect the object at the right side to its alike object at the left side. Oh, alike. Where's the sun here? Oh, you draw a line. Oh, you hold the pencil properly. Oh, this one. Oh, very good. How about this? What's this? What's this? Oh, you draw pillow. Where's the pillow? There. How about this?
Snowman.
Oh, you draw snowman.
Here.
Snowman. Where's the
Snowman.
snowman? This is the snowman.
Not frozen.
Oh, frozen. Okay. How about this? What's this? TV. Okay. Draw TV there. How about this? What's this?
Ball.
Oh, ball.
Here.
Oh, you draw. Not that one. Draw straight line. Very good.
Choco.
And next.
And next.
Different. Cross X. The object that is different. Oh, draw X line. The first mark. Where?
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Okay, you draw X mark from X. Oh, how about this one here? What's that?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. How about this here?
Banana.
Banana. Okay. Draw X mark. X mark. How about here?
Grapes.
Grapes. Where's the different? Oh, you draw X mark again.
Hello.
X mark.
Thank you.
Oh, about here? What? Here or here or here? You draw X mark again.
Here.
Oh, you draw X mark. Very good.
Anong oras na dyan?
Next.
Hapon? Madaling hapon?
Hand.
Ay, dinas.
Oh. Oh, where? What things?
Hindi siya nagtalat.
Dito.
What's that? Oh. What's that? Gloves. Ah, gloves. Oh. This one. Eyes. Where?
And
What's that? What's that? Eyeglasses. Okay.
glass.
How about this head? Where? What's that?
Kagabi, naglulugas kayo.
What's that?
Hot.
Cup. That's the cup. Oh, draw. Draw properly, straight line. How about this? What's this? Feet. Oh, what's that?
Madaling araw.
Feet.
Feet for?
Trabaho nyo. Tapos mamaya tulog
What's
naman.
that? Shoes. Okay, you draw straight line. How about this?
Ear.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
Anong sabi niya?
What? Earring.
Earring.
Oh, you draw. Oh, last one. This is
Sabihin
the
niyo
last
na,
one.
excited na din ako. Para
Ay, no.
tapos ko dito ng kontrata ko. Pagtapos ko ng kontrata ko, may malilipatan ako.
This one. Check the picture that show how to take good care of your body. Oh, this one.
Sa akin si Rago, nanonosbid ako. Hindi ko
That
nililip.
boy.
Hindi ako nagpili.
Check. Check. How about this? Check or no?
No.
Oh, no. How about this? Check or no?
Yes.
Yes, check it. How about this? Check or no?
Check.
Oh, check it. How about this? Check or no? Sleeping dirty.
No.
Oh, no. Okay, very good. Oh, enough.
Square. Square.
Oh.
Square.
How about this?
Square.
This one.
Si Jerry, ayaw niya.
This one, baby.
Ah!
Show love. Respect. This one. Circle.
Yes.
Yeah, how about this one? Circle. Helping. Lola. Circle? Or no?
Yes.
Oh, circle. How about this one? Picking flowers. Circle or no?
No.
Oh, how about this? Giving food. Circle or no?
Yes.
Yes. How about this one? Giving flowers. Circle or no?
Yes.
Oh, circle again. Oh, enough na. Oh, say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Flying kiss.